This is our 2017 67 plate Audi R8 V10 Plus. It's a stunning combination of triple black, carbon black with the optional 20-inch Y-spoke gloss black wheels, shot in Pirelli rubber all the way round, brand new on the front and 6mm on the rears, with the optional nappa leather diamond quilt stitch interior. It's a stunning combination and absolutely dripping with carbon fibre everywhere. Your wing mirrors, carbon, side blades, gloss carbon, rear spoiler, again in that lovely gloss carbon. Your rear diffuser in carbon as well. It's an immaculate condition, the car, all the way through. Got that fantastic 5.2 litre V10 Audi Lamborghini engine pumping out over 600 horsepower, naturally aspirated, giving you 0 to 60 time in around 3 seconds and 200 miles an hour. Completely original car. Obviously you get carbon ceramic brakes as standard with the V10 Plus model. Like I say, these Pirelli tyres are brand new at the front. You've got the laser lights at the front, the LED laser lights you can see there with the blue. That's a £3,000 option. You've got the carbon splitter at the front as well. It's in beautiful condition. As I said, all the wheels and tyres are unmarked. Bumper, bonnet, all in perfect condition. Exactly how you'd want this car to be. It's been properly babied by its owners. It's got a full Audi service history all the way through. Just had a service earlier this year, 2020, so your next one's not due for another couple of years. All Main dealer, of course. Got those fantastic LED rear lights. What an absolute stunning bit of kit. The V10 R8 is just one of those great all-round supercars that you can drive absolutely everywhere. It's been fully detailed by our valeter and detailer, and all machine polish. It looks stunning. You can see the shine on that paintwork. Not covered in stone chips or scratches or dings or any other damage that sometimes you see. It's only got one former owner prior to the current, so it's a 2-owner car. It's not had 4 or 5 or 6 owners like some of them have had. It's November 17 registered, end of November, so you've still got Audi Warranty still for another 3 months, I'd say. Yeah, obviously it hasn't had its first MOT because that's not due yet. Going inside, you've got the best seats. These are the quilted extended nappa leather seats. And the reason I say these are the best, because I've bought and sold quite a few of these, and the ones with the bucket seats, they're a nightmare to get in and out of. They're very uncomfortable longer journeys. These are the best ones to have. They look great, they're comfortable to sit in, they're easily to get in and out of. This one's got the optional full electric adjustment, so you get the lumbar and bolster adjust, which is not standard. Some of them just have these two, so that's a really good option to have. Obviously you've got the illuminated R8 sill plates here. Again, carbon fibre everywhere inside. Got the Bang & Olufsen sound system, heated folding wing mirrors, front boot release, automatic lights, and again carbon on the instrument binnacle on the digital display. And again carbon on the centre. And then you've got the all-important performance pack, which gives you the Sport Pack, sorry, which gives you the race exhaust, the magnetic suspension, and the dynamic steering. Frameless doors, of course, as you would expect on a high-performance coupe. So more of the same on this side. You've got the leather with the black stitching on the doors, leather with the black stitching on the dash, carbon around the vents, carbon on the centre, and again the enhanced electric adjustments on the seats. If we pull this back, you've also got the easy fit load area. Got a net there as well. That just makes it easy to put stuff in. Got your SD memory card slot there. Got a lovely Bang & Olufsen tag there. Moving around to the driver's side. So of course you've got the full digital cockpit, and obviously you can change that with the view button here, so you can change what's displayed. This of course turns on your sports exhaust, opens the flaps, and it sounds very, very loud. Drive select mode, of course. You've got cruise control, and this is your race, and then wet, dry, and snow mode is all via this button and toggle here. This has also got the Audi Phone Box with the wireless phone charging option. I haven't actually listed that on the ad yet. I'll add that today. USB ports, auxiliary, 12-volt socket, digital dual zone climate control, heated seats. It's got the rear parking camera option. Just see if I can put that on my... There we go. And then of course your other buttons here to control what's displayed on there. In here you've got your key in this particular case, and obviously your cup holders. And if we start it up, so we can do drive select is these. And that, folks, is our 67 plates Audi R8 V10 Plus in triple black, stunning colour combination, immaculate condition, full Audi history, 2 keys, full book pack, everything's there as you'd expect it. We do offer fantastic finance packages, so please come to me if you want to get a finance quote. We offer nationwide delivery to your door in an enclosed trailer. That's £2 a mile, and of course the car is still under Audi warranty as well, for your peace of mind. And it's just been serviced earlier this year, so literally once for nothing, this car. Any questions or queries, just give me a call. drop me an email, and more than happy to answer it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.